have to stay afloat. It's nice, eh? Be a person you don't want. Can somebody say me other thing? Going to do. Where's the life I? Where's my shy? Is this calling?
Welcome to Out of the World, and in this episode I'll take you to one of the most incredible places in all of Australia. We're in Queensland and I'm talking about Whitsundays. But before we get to the famous islands and the little town called Airlie Beach, there's another beach town that I'd like to show you, because Bowen is also a must visit. And in this video we'll be driving this awesome four-wheel drive camper van with 2 rooftop tents by WA experts. From Darwin in the Northern Territory we drove it to Cairns. And after the Great Barrier Reef we discovered Mission Beach, where we looked for the cassowary birds. And then drove to Townsville, the gateway to the unique magnetic island. We get ready to explore Whitsundays next, and in 2.5 hours we drive to Bowen. On our way to Whitsundays we stop in a little town called Bowen. Or I have to say we're already there, because they call this the top of Whitsundays. With 8 stunning beaches, this is a tropical paradise, both under and above water. It's tiny because of the 10,000 residents, but it's big in reputation. Bowen is not on everybody's itinerary, but in this video I will show you why it should be. Here in Bowen we got the best spot again. Our campsite is right next to Rose Bay, which is a ridiculously beautiful bay that I will show you from above with the drone. First we get settled on this cozy little campsite, which is like Bowen, peaceful and relaxed. So this is what the campsite looks like from above. The surroundings are quiet, but breathtaking. And in the distance we can already see where the Whitsunday Islands begin. We go out to explore the square peninsula that Bowen is on. The North Beaches connect to the Coral Sea and the Great Barrier Reef. The most perfect beach that you can find in Bowen is at the Horseshoe Bay, because of its beautiful shape like a horseshoe. There are giant rocks on both sides, and to have a nice view you can climb some of them. And the water is the most perfect in all of Bowen. And now you see what I mean. How could you skip this coastline on your trip through Queensland? And of course, this water is perfect for snorkeling too. There's plenty to see, and Bowen is especially a good chance to spot sea turtles. Time for beach number 2. And the road literally crosses that beach because we drive over here, we hop out of the car, and this is the next bay, Grace Bay. Can do some swimming, and I'm gonna do some droning. The Shire of Bowen is a stunning area, and in 2007 it merged with the Shire of Whitsundays, making its nickname officially the Top of Whitsundays. You should go to this part too, to avoid mass tourism and enjoy both nature and history. We drive into the center to see one of Queensland's prettiest towns. Apart from the beautiful beaches, Bowen is also famous for the delicious mangoes. All over town you will see the mango signs, and believe it or not, this one over here is called the Little Mango, because when you drive into town there's another one they call the Big Mango. It's actually the biggest mango statue in the world. There is a chance, by the way, that you recognize Bowen from the movie, because the movie Australia was set in Bowen with Hugh Jackman and Nicole Kidman. And we can see why. A drive around Bowen makes history come to life with old buildings and street art. But of course, more importantly, there is a
water bike, water bike, water bike.
I let Jens decide on the last beach, and right in the middle of the center next to the beach is another free water park, just like many places in Australia. How awesome is that? Of course, I also want to show you the big mango. It's huge and there's a little ant on it. And that's exactly how I feel when I stand next to it, like an ant. Look. Whoa! At last we enjoy the pool of the campsite, since not all beaches are good for swimming. And over here we don't have to worry about... Ah! Never mind. That's it, unfortunately, for today's episode. But stay tuned as we'll discover the rest of the Whitsundays and of course the rest of the east coast of Australia. See you soon. We'll cruise the Whitsundays and see the best spots in all of Australia, all the way around. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you there. Ciao!